Hi everyone. So usually student मानकर गोटे डाउट थाए aspirant मानकर कि whether to look at the topper's note ना topper's answer sheet. See, if you ask me honestly, प्रति ईयर यूपीएससी 800-900 टॉपर्स रोचंदी. So 1000 notes will be very different. If you look at say 900 to 1000 notes, everyone's note is different. कौन पाए notes difference रहे ना notes is an intimate thing. So we create or write the notes as per our convenience and our understanding. So से notes गुड़ा बहुत ही vary करे. But at the same time, if you look at their answer sheet, say if you take say 900 toppers answer sheet, there is a commonality. You will definitely find some degree of commonality. Ki what made them get selected into the list and why others didn't got into the list. So to understand that commonality, you have to look at their answer sheet, because answer sheet just देखियो, you will find how they write, what kind of language they use while they write, and what is the commonality that is there aesthetically also, so that that fetch them more marks and they got a interview call. So if you ask me honestly, keep your or prepare your own notes so that you have an intimate understanding of the subject and you are ready with your notes. At the same time, always refer or look at the answer sheet of the toppers, not for content but for how they write. कहीं ना content जब देखियो, content जब answer sheet रू उठेवो 30-40% irrelevant भी हो जाती हो. Let me give an example. Say last year there was a topper who wrote about say poverty in his answer sheet. But this year if you write the same answer that was written last year, then you are not going to face the same mark. Why? Because the poverty are different dimensions also. So this year poverty, there will be more poverty because of artificial intelligence, there will be job loss. So say dimensions, the new and emerging dimension will be missing. So content is always getting updated. So content पछरे जाओने, toppers को notes को content पछरे जाओने, but what you can do is look at the things that that made them their answer stand out. Okay, whatever maybe the unique thing was there. So, and another thing, as I told you, notes there will be no commonality, but answer sheet there will be commonality. So which will help you understand कि केमती कौन लिखिले, you will fetch more marks. So if you ask me honestly, notes, toppers note don't have much application in the real exam, but their answer sheets do. So in the upcoming videos, I will be keep sharing with you some notes. Or not notes actually, the answer sheet that I have personally checked of some of the toppers who got into UPSC into the top rank. So I have somewhere around 15-20 toppers are there who are into UPSC and whose answer script I have checked personally. So I'll share that with you so that we will establish some commonality and I can help you or give you some idea how to write write your answer in the real exam. So thank you.